What's the meaning of casebook? Casebook. Casebook.
Casebook. Casebook. Casebook is a noun that refers to a book containing records and accounts of cases, especially legal cases. It may also refer to a book used for studying or teaching a subject by providing a series of examples or cases. The term casebook can also be used in a broader sense to describe any collection of detailed records or examples related to a particular subject. In summary, casebook refers to a book that contains records of cases or examples related to a specific subject, often used for teaching or studying purposes.